Lourdes Chico, what is more romantic than I love you to you, Donnie? Kay Belle, hindi ba? Bilang BF niya, saad niya, kasi sa akin, hindi lang ako nag-I love you sa kanya, kundi sinasabi ko sa kanya that, hey, I'm still here. Kahit mahirap, kahit magulo, kahit hindi tayo okay, I'm still choosing you. And understand, of course, not just hearing but really listening to her. Pinipili kong intindihin siya kahit hindi madali. And number 3, I'll stay. Hindi lang sa masayang araw, kundi pati sa mga panahong gusto mong sumuko. And pang-apat, because anyone can say I love you, hindi ba? Madaling sabihin, madaling ipangako, but not everyone can prove it. And the quiet, everyday moments. So maybe what's more romantic for me than I love you is someone who shows you again and again that they mean it. So, ganyan na yung pinaparamdam ko kay Belle.